So guys, ito yung aking ginawang bread pudding. So ito yung aking first time na gumawa ng bread pudding guys. Ayan, successful siya. So para siyang leche plan guys. Mas masarap siya sa leche plan. So kung gusto nyo i-try guys, panoorin nyo yung aking video guys sa susunod. I-share ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng bread pudding. Maraming salamat sa mga tanggap ng aking video guys. And then please don't forget to like and subscribe also guys. Thank you and God bless you all.